This is how to shorten an object in Adobe Illustrator without distorting it. So here I have two different types of objects, and this technique will work on every type of object as long as the sides that you want to shorten are straight like these are right here. So the issue we as beginners often run into is that if we want to shorten an object, we just select the object and shorten it by dragging this anchor point right here. And the same goes with this. If we shorten it like this, we can see that the angles are no longer correct and the arch on this rounded rectangle right here are not right at all. So let's go back. So what we actually want to do is to go to the direct selection tool right here and then select all anchor points above the line that you want to shorten. And then simply pick one of the anchor points and drag the entire top of the object down. And you can hold down the shift key to make sure you drag it in a straight line. And now the arch of the corners are correct even after we shorten it. And we can do the same thing with this shape right here. If we just select all the anchor points above these straight lines and then simply pick one of the anchor points, drag it down and hold down the shift key to make sure we drag it in a straight line. If you found this video helpful, please do me a favor and comment down below what you searched for to find this video, because I really struggled to find a good searchable title for this video. And now you can watch this next video that YouTube recommends for you.